viongozi wa kanisa, jamii ya rafiki yetu, mzee Benson Ogero, ndugu yangu George, na watu yako yote na waombolezaji wote wamefika hapa. Abantu kama ndio Mwemore naende. Ndio. Tumekuja kusindikiza Jamidari Mkereketo Mkenya sanifu mzee Ogero Kegoro. Huyu mzee ni rafiki yangu sana. Yeye ni mzee ambaye alikuwa anapenda vijana. Ndio sababu nilisema kama nini mpaka mimi nitafika. Ilikuwa azikwe siku ya Ijumaa, lakini mimi nilikuwa niko na shughuli zingine, nikasema Jumapili mimi nitakuwa na nafasi, na hata wakakubali kuzika hiyo siku ya leo. Huyu mzee kwa kimombo anasema he had a photographic memory, and as a man of all ages, and through him you could learn a lot of things, particularly history of our country. I was very fond of talking to him whenever we met. He told me about the elections of 1963 when I was out of the country. And now he was elected the then Nyanza Regional Assembly that time. And what was the Regional Assembly and how it worked? He knew exactly how it worked, and he would tell me the other people with whom they were. Here in Nyanza, people like Okeka Mayo, Otieno Gingo, the members of the Nyanza Regional Assembly. Then Senate was dissolved, moved away from devolved system of government, unitary system of government. And then he now became a member of the county council. And after that, following the death of the late George Morara, yeye akachaguliwa katika kama bunge na kaenda akawa akapumzishwa tena, baadaye akarudi tena awamu ya pili. And then he came back again here and now served the local people. But he served with the distinction. Later on became an elder here. And all the times whenever we met, we would compare notes with him. He would tell me the challenges that we faced then, the problems we're facing right now, up to now. So we have lost a great Kenyan. But because he has lived to the mature age of 90, we celebrate his life. We're not mourning, we are celebrating the life of this great mzee. Tunasherehekea maisha yake. Na maana vile amefanya, amejenga kikosi kikubwa sana. Maana vile ameletwa hapa mbele yenu, ameleta hapa sasa yeye ni jemedali. Amezaa wale wote na naona tena amewapatia elimu yote. They all been educated and they all married from well. So this is what you call development. It's a development. That's why I'm so happy to stand before you here today. This mzee experienced a devolved system of government. And you know, after that we brought a unitary system of government. It took Kenyans a long time and through a very bitter struggle to again come back to a devolved system of government through the Constitution of 2010. Because that system had failed. You saw the dictatorship that it brought to our people. Now we have a devolved system of government. Already we are now seeing the challenges that it is facing. Devolution is right now on trial because we see attempts to revive other structures which had gone with the old constitution. We see attempts to revive a provincial administration which had gone with the old constitution. You know how structures like regional commissioner, county commissioner, going down here, is basically an attempt to try to undermine the authority of elected leadership in the counties. And this must be resisted. The current constitution does not have provision for provincial administration. In the county, the governor is the chief executive. And the governor needs to be given powers and respect that he deserves. But when you have a situation where a non-elected person appointed in the name of county commissioner, regional commissioner, giving orders for property of people to be destroyed, he said, Shetani ashindwe. Shetani ashindwe. You don't want to go back there. You know how oppressive that system was. We don't want that system to be reintroduced here again. Because Kenyans fought very hard to bring this new constitution. We welcome our brother from Uganda, Kizza Besigye. And you know the kind of struggle Kizza Besigye has been through. He knows what it means for an election to be stolen. I sympathize with him as he sympathizes with me also. But Rome was never built in one day. The struggle for democratization is an ongoing process, and we should never give up this struggle to make our country better, to ensure that elections have meaning, that the votes will be counted as they have been cast, and the correct results will be announced. They have been through this before. He himself is a victim, as we are victims, but he must continue to move on. So here today, I'm not going to speak a lot. I know that the people are suffering today. The cost of living is very high. Gharama ya maisha imepanda. Bei ya unga imepanda. Bei ya mafuta imepanda. Bei ya sukari imepanda. Gorogoro imepanda. Wanasema ati hapa Kisii gorogoro sasa ni shilingi 50,000. Ni kweli? Ni 50 kweli? Sasa wamesema mambo mengi sana. Ile lugha ambayo nilikuwa naongea ya toka chini kwenda juu. Mama mboga, jua kali, boda. Hiyo lugha sasa imesahaulika. Sasa wasahau boda. Mama mboga sio? Kila kitu ushuru. Nisema punda imechoka. Kisa nasema punda imeanguka. Punda imeanguka sasa. Hawezi kubeba mzigo tena. Hakuna chochote ambacho iko hapo. Na kila siku ni ahadi. Barabara hii tutajenga. Shule hii tutajenga. Hospitali hii tunainua level 6. Hiyo yote ni takataka. Sasa hiyo ni kama kunyamba kwa punda. Hakuna chochote hapo. Nitakuja kuongea na nyinyi siku ingine. Siku leo tunaomba mzee alale pahali pema peponi. Asanteni sana. Naliki ndugu yangu Kiza aje hapa asalimu nyinyi. Kiza kama na give this game.